What's up, guys? If you're looking for a quick workout to be able to do to lose fat around the midsection especially, stay tuned. I've got a easy body weight home workout that you can do to lose weight fast, even if you're a beginner. The first exercise we're going to talk about is push-ups. Now, for push-ups, you want to make sure that you're getting in that nice, strong base push-up position. Arms just under the shoulders. Keep that back really nice and straight, nice and flat the whole time. You don't want to lift your butt in the air or drop it down low too much. Keep that core, the stomach nice and tight. And then you're just going to lower yourself down as far as you can. Try to get as close to touching the ground with your face or your chest as possible. So you're going to go down and slowly controlled, you're going to come back up. That's one rep. Down and up, one rep. The next exercise we're going to talk about is squats. For squats, you want to make sure you get your feet nice and wide. They're just about shoulder width apart, maybe just a little bit wider. Those toes are going to face out just a little bit. And you're going to squat down like you're going to sit in a chair. Start with your butt going backwards first. You're going to squat down. Try to get the top of your legs parallel with the ground, about 90 degrees. Then you're going to raise back up in a controlled yet slightly explosive manner. So down and up, that's one repetition. The next exercise we're going to talk about is the Tricep Bench Dip. To do the Tricep Bench Dip, you're going to find a chair, a bench, something that's elevated. You're going to put your hands right at the edge of that bench or chair, kind of behind you. Put your legs out in front of you. Now, the further out your feet are from the chair, the harder the exercise will be. You can make it harder or make it easier based on where those feet are. What you're going to do is you're going to lower yourself down by bending at the elbows mostly. As soon as you get as far down as you can go, you're going to push back up. Push your hands, straighten the arms, back up. The next exercise will be lunges. To do a lunge, start with your feet just shoulder width apart or together, and you're going to step out in front of you, nice big stride, not too long, but nice and big to where when your knee gets to just above the ground, your front leg has a 90-degree bend at the knee. You're going to maintain that chest nice and high as you go down. You want to make sure that you get right to the ground with the knee or just above the ground, and then push back up in an explosive manner back to the starting point. Now, to do a plank properly, you're going to set up just like you would for a push-up. Keep those hands about shoulder width apart or just a little bit wider. Make sure that they're completely under your shoulders. You're making a straight line through your shoulders to the ground. Keep that core nice and tight, the back flat. Don't droop the butt or raise it too high. Make it nice and flat. Keep the neck relaxed in a straight manner, and you're going to keep all of your muscles in the core, your stomach, your back, everything really nice and tight. Squeeze everything together. Maintain that position and breathe during the exercise. Don't forget to breathe, especially during the plank.